Hello and welcome to the Suralink training on the reports tool. Today we're going to be taking a look at what the tool is, how to access it, viewing and downloading options, as well as inviting guest users. So the tool itself is a feature that allows you to securely access report or files and documents from a firm outside of an engagement. This is an optional feature for firms, so if they choose to publish a report, it can be found below their engagements on their firm page. They can also enable and disable downloading of files within a report, so some might be read-only. And firms also have the option to permit guest users access to reports. So if they do allow that, that means you can share this report with folks who do not have a Suralink account. So let's go ahead and go into the Suralink system and take a look at a report. You can see I'm on this firm's profile page, and down below their engagements, I see there's a report here. I can also see when it was published, how many files are in the report, and who it was last accessed by. To go into the report, you just click on it. It will bring up a new screen. Over here on the right, you'll see a preview of the files. And over here on the left, you'll see some details like who it was prepared by, what version, and if the firm allows you to download or not. Down below that, you'll see the files that are in the report. If the firm allows for download, you can go ahead and download those here. And you can also change the view on the right here by clicking on this icon, and it'll switch the files. Over here on the left, down below that, you'll see any of your colleagues who have access to this report and when they last accessed it. And down below that, if the firm has this enabled, you'll see this guest access. So to invite guest users, it's pretty simple. You just click invite guest user, and you have the option for sending it individually or in a list using first, last, and email. You'll go ahead and enter their information. Once you do, you'll have some options for the duration and security. So you can go ahead and make your selections. You can also leave a custom message, and once this is sent, they'll receive an email notification letting them know that you invited them to view a report. It will grant them temporary access to view this page here to see the report, and they do not have to create a profile. Lastly, you can also select if you want to share both of these files with this guest user, or maybe just one, and then you can go ahead and invite them. Once you do, you'll see a list of that user here, the guest users. You can also see who they were invited by. You can resend the invitation, and you can also change the settings on each user. So for example, if you click this star icon, you can select which files you want this individual to have access to. All right. You can also edit the guest user's information here for the duration and security. And you can also remove guest users if needed. Down below that, you'll see an access log for when your guest users last accessed the report. One last thing, when you're reviewing a file over here on the right and the firm maybe has the download option disabled, there are a few settings here that can be helpful, such as this page fit option here, full screen, as well as the sidebar menus. Lastly, there is a search. So if you're looking for a keyword, you can also do that within the search feature here. I hope that helps. Please do let us know if you have any questions. And if you run into challenges, please don't hesitate to reach out to our live chat support for help. Thank you for watching.